How to fix can't add card, try again later. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem of yours. To know this, then watch this video till the very end. So what you can simply do is sometimes you might encounter the message could not add card. Try again later or contact your add card issuer for more information. When you're trying to add a card to Apple Pay, you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. The very first step is to check the compatibility. Ensure that your device is compatible with the Apple Pay and you're using a supported card for a participating issuer. The next is update your device. Make sure to update your iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch and whatever it is before you do it, and restart your device again. Check the reason settings as well. Go to settings, general, language, reason, and then select a supported reason and make sure you have the right reason there. Check the card issuer supporter as well. Verify that your card issuer supports Apple Pay and can usually find this information on the card issuer's website or by contacting the customer support as well. Verify information and contact your card user, and also remove and re-add the card. If none of these steps work, you may need to wait and try again later, as the issue could be temporary or related to server maintenance as well. So that's how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.